What's up, YouTube? I just got my package and they arrived at the same time. That's pretty good if I could start working on it. This is where I ordered from, does it say it right here? Smolik Performance at Pittsburgh, I believe. And, yeah, this is what I got from him. Pretty much, this is an exhaust flange, real thick metal. I didn't expect it to be this thick, but hey, so it's easier to weld on. And a gasket for the carburetor, I guess. It's like a rubber sealer thing. It doesn't seem like it lines up. Oh wow, it does not line up. Let's see if it lines up here. Oh, you know what? It lines up a little better here, but you're probably gonna have to drill a little bit. And this is the spacer plate. It has this little channel in here, so it's not just a straight cut, and then it notches in. It's the reed valve. For some reason, I heard on his website and there's other things that saying his reed valves have this rubber, so you don't need a gasket, and that was one of the reasons why I bought this. So I don't need to use a gasket, but this one doesn't have that rubber gasket. Then this is the cylinder. Let's see how it looks. Oh, I guess my camera was zoomed in. I'm gonna pause it. I'm just gonna cut it and we'll see right now. All right. Open it. I guess maybe everything's in here. Hopefully this is a quality cylinder. Hopefully I didn't went too cheap and got one that doesn't work. I made sure I ordered the right one. In the picture, it's showing different parts, like a different cylinder, so hopefully it's the right one. All right, cool. We got the little head. You can see how much I'm gonna have to drill. This is the little head, nice little big dome in there. Some gaskets. Is that an intake gasket? I might use this gasket over that gasket, unless this is an exhaust gasket, but I don't think it'll need that. These are the rings for the piston. They oiled the box, I oiled the cylinder. I guess everything else is in here. Put my camera down. Alright, looks alright. Really heavy. It says 49.77. I'm pretty sure I got a 70 cc. For them to say it's a 49 is really making me sad. I did just cut the box. Let me read what it says. It says oversized cylinder. It doesn't say the cc's, it just says 49.6 centimeter. It doesn't look bigger than the other engines. That's just coloration. The inside here is not that nice. You can see there's like pits and it's painted. A small little port here. This is the piston. If I had to redo this, I probably would have got probably would have went with I think you put it like this. Oh, look at this. The size is bigger up here, not on the bottom. Ooh, that's gonna be a problem. Like this one looks centered. Like this one you could easily just make it big. But it's just that one hole looks a little too tight. We'll see once I start doing it. Also, maybe these holes are a little bigger than what I need. This is the piston. It's a reed and a window piston. Like I was saying, if I had to redo it, I probably wouldn't have ordered it from here. This is a cheap freaking eBay thing. I was going with the cheap route, and then I realized there's a lot better heads out there for around the same price, and that's where I kind of was a little too late. That's gonna work. It was a little too late, and it just is what it is. I got it, and when I ordered it, I didn't see there's this other one that has like these Chinese letters. I don't know the name of it, and it has this piston that looks real cool. It has like this engraving in there. It's also a window piston. But alright, cool. I got all the parts. Also, I'm waiting for a package to arrive from Bikeberry. I think it's gonna come tomorrow or the day next, and we'll see. I'm gonna see if I could actually make these holes bigger. Cause look at this one's really tight for some reason. But yeah, I'm gonna make these holes bigger and see if I can slide a stud. I mean a bolt through there. As soon as that can get there, you can slap on this. I think you put it on like this, unless you put it on like this, but then it wouldn't make sense if you do it like that. Because if you do it like that, you have this big opening here. I think that goes like this because this opening diverts it back into the actual cylinder. Ooh, look how much, there's just a little opening. Well, this is my first time doing this, guys, and I'm gonna double check on this piston. Hopefully it's that 70 cc's. It's a little big, but not as big as I thought it was gonna be like. But alright, man. Oh yeah, the intake. It's on there, ready to bolt on the Mikuni carb. Sorry for the long video, but it is what it is.